In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the stopwatch mode on your Casio G-Shock Module 3495 watch. There's various different versions and colors of this watch. Doesn't matter which one you have, they should all work the same with regards to the stopwatch. So first thing we need to do is we need to get to our stopwatch mode. From the main timekeeping face or mode, we need to use the bottom left button. That's going to be our mode button. We're going to press it a few times. First time you press it, it's going to take you to your world times. Second time, it's going to take you to your alarms. Third time will take you to your stopwatch. Once you're in your stopwatch mode, you're always going to have your current time up here at the top, and then the middle section is going to be your stopwatch feature. Just basic stopwatch functionality. If you press the bottom right button, that's going to be your start, your stop or pause, your resume, and then while it is stopped, if you press the top left button, it will reset it back to 0. This is always going to be your reset button unless the stopwatch is running. If I press the stopwatch and it is running, this is going to be my split time. So if I press that, I've now got a split. I can look down at my split value, press it again, it releases the split. My stopwatch has been going all along. I'm going to go ahead and stop it. And again, I'm going to press the top left. When the stopwatch is stopped, top left will give you the option for resetting. If you're trying to measure two different runners, you would start your stopwatch. When your first runner finishes, you're going to press the top left button, which is your split. When the second runner finishes, you're going to press the bottom right button, which is your stop. Now the race is stopped. To review your runners, there's the score or the time of your first runner. Press the top left button. There's the time of your second runner. That's the full elapsed time of the stopwatch. And then you press it a third time, and that will reset it back to 0. I hope that makes sense. I can show you again. Start your stopwatch. Your runners are out there running. First one finishes. It's basically just like doing a split. All it is just a regular split that's going on. While your second runner is still running, when he finishes, you're going to press the stop. And now you can review them. Your first runner, your second runner, reset it back to 0. Stopwatch will remain running even if you're not in this mode. So if you want to kick it off and go to a different mode, it's still running in the background. Let me go back to it. And there we go. 24 hours is the maximum. So once it surpasses 1 hour, this will go to 1. It will continue until it gets to 23 hours, 59 minutes, 59 seconds, and then everything will reset back to 0. Anyway, that's a quick look at the stopwatch mode on the Module 3495 watch. I hope the video helps.